Is there a way to get the magnitude of a vector? Because if velocity is a vector,
I mean, the three components of the vector should be.
yes, you can just say velocity dot magnitude. You can just talk about the magnitude of a vector. We want to multiply the magnitude of the velocity. I think this is what we need to do. We need to go in the forward direction, multiply it times the magnitude of our velocity.
Yeah, that makes sense.
So let's switch things around. Okay, so put it back the way it was, and we'll take this apart. So we want to say parent dot rigid body, or no, just parent dot rigid body dot transform dot forward. We don't need it to be normalized because it's already normalized. That gets multiplied by your speed.
Yeah.
Somewhere we want to say, right there we want to say dot magnitude times parent.rigidbody.transform.forward. I think so. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So we've got the two pieces. The first piece is the increase, 30 times your forward.
Right.
And then the second one is the magnitude of your velocity times your forward. Try that out. Okay, are you turning?
Sounds good. Okay.
You can shoot in that direction. So no matter where you are shooting.
Leg down, ship. Yeah.
Okay. Cool. So now you got to work on collisions.
What?
Well, now you actually want to destroy things when they get hit by the bullets,
Yeah.
right?
I have this guy here hit.
Okay.
And what I was trying to do there was just whatever triggered it, just kill it.
Yep. Like last time, it's probably this dot game object.
Now here's a quick question. So let me get my do that super quick. So this is the bullet hit script, and I've attached that to my bullet here as well as my NPC right here. So they'll both trigger one, correct?
Yes, they should both disappear. You could make it so one destroys the other. I think so.
Yeah,
Oh no, wait a second. So which mesh collider is a trigger? Because this kind of interaction, I think, is better captured by a collision and not a trigger.
Okay.
Because when you use triggers, it's like something walked into me. I don't know what, and I don't really care what. Let's make something happen. Whereas a collision knows that there's two objects that just hit each other, and it has some kind of collision result, and you can talk to the thing that you hit to make it destroyed as well. So I think you want to use the on collision enter instead of on trigger enter. I think that's the word for it. Yes. Because it gives you a collision object, which lets you talk about the thing that you just hit. The game object you're colliding with. So only one of them needs that script.
So I can take it off of my ship.
Right, and the bullet says, wow, look, I just collided with something, I get to blow it up.
Okay, so what's the object that it gets back?
Let's see, can you see my screen still?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the method you want.
Oh, wait.
On collision enter collision.
Yeah, I'm seeing your face.
Okay. Screen share. Desktop.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
How's that? Yes. And then that collision object has variables inside it, describes a collision, collider, game object, relative velocity, rigid body of the thing we hit, the transform of the thing we hit.
So, collision.collider.gameObject.
Yes. I think that makes sense. Well, you could just say collision.gameObject. Because that is the game object whose collider we are colliding with.
You. That's all. Maybe it's all clear. I seriously do. You're away from your ship. Okay, that definitely went through. Give the rail infinite length so if it hits anything, pick it up.
Okay. Let's go look at your code. Did you destroy yourself first? Yes. Because I did not see that log message come through.
Yeah, I did.
So I think when you destroy yourself, it's like, I'm done.
Oh, okay.
Make that the last thing you do. Put the debug message up there too.
It's like, I would stop doing everything.
Yep. I think so. When you say destroy, it's done.
You're there.
Okay, so for testing purposes, let's make this game easier. Okay, so go back and stop this game. Yeah, and go to your prefab for your other ship, and turn off their movement script. Yeah, just turn those off. So now they're just sitting ducks. Okay, go find one and shoot it.
I totally would have chased him around for 30 minutes.
Okay, this is still hard.
Coming in for the kill. I believe in you.
You can do this.
9.
Shoot, shoot, shoot. Okay, I didn't see anything happen there. Okay. Is that function spelled correctly? Yes. Okay, let's go back and look at your objects. Make sure they're not triggers. Both of them, yes. Turn that off. Okay. Try this. Because the collision part won't happen if they're triggers. Okay, yeah, get that one right there in front of you. Uh-oh. Did Unity crash on you? Oh no. Maybe that means you hit it. But it didn't save all your stuff that you changed with the scene. It saved all the code that we changed, but it didn't change all the pieces. Yeah. Good. Turn off the trigger. Turn off the trigger. Turn off the trigger. Save it.
What kind of colliders on the ships? There might be like collider hard.
And there is nothing there. Oh, good thought. I don't see any mesh. Scroll in on them, if you can. Yeah, just drop one in. We want to look at it. Can you see, like, any mesh collider on there? I mean, just for testing purposes. Let's just try this out. And if it doesn't work, then we'll put a big bubble around it.